Hi, this is Rock. Let's look at the product function. If you followed the sum function video, this is going to be very similar and somewhat straightforward. I have two number lists here, 1 through 20. Product is the way to multiply numbers with a function in Excel. So I'm going to say equals product, and as I type, it gives me options. If I keep typing the word product, it'll highlight it in blue. When it is there, I can click tab and it will finish typing the word product for me and include that opening parenthesis. So that's very helpful. I'm going to make these two multiplied against each other. So 1 and then this 1. So I6 times H7. That's what this is going to be. So it's 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, let's take it to the next step and copy this and put it here. Notice this is saying 2, but it's referring to I7, and what I would have wanted is that it's multiplying 2 times this 1. So let's go ahead and use what we had learned with absolute versus relative references to have a copyable formula in here that we can copy into this whole matrix and have it do the multiplication of this row of data to this column of data. So the way to do that, if you remember from absolute and relative references, is to put a $sign in front of the row reference for the blue one here, and a $sign in front of the column reference for the red one here, so that as we paste, it'll stay on this row and on this column. I'm going to hit enter, I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it in this whole matrix here. So as I hit Control V, now what we have is a matrix where we have everything in this top row multiplied by everything in this leftmost column. So you'll notice that this diagonal is going to be perfect squares. So as I go down here, 20 times 20 is 400. So those are the squares, and anything in here, as you could probably guess, gets repeated over here. Okay, that is product. That's how it works. You can use it in a number of different ways, and we'll show you some tricks and tips to combine product with some other functions that allow you to do some amazing things with data. So we'll talk about that later. Next up is sum product. See you there.